Welcome to the month of May here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. During the month of May, be sure to check out our model year savings on the 2024 Winnebago Revel, in which Cody Likey in a little bit will walk you through the differences between the 24 and then the next model year 2025, where you can save over $30,000 on your Winnebago Revel purchase. Also recently extended, but now ending on May 31st, with any ProMaster purchase such as the Travato or the Solus, receive 2 free Blaupunk e-bikes with any purchase. During the month of May, we're going to focus on quality, innovation, and reliability, where we'll cover Winnebago Factory Tours, quality advantages between Winnebago and other RV manufacturers, and differences between Winnebago and Winnebago models.
Hi, I'm Cody Likey, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. The all-new 2025 Winnebago Revel is here. The 25 Revel shares similarities with the previous model, but there are also notable differences. One of the primary differences is the change from the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter four-wheel drive chassis to the all-wheel drive model. The 2024 Revel offers an on-demand four-wheel drive for your off-grid adventures. You control when to engage four-wheel drive functionality when you need additional traction on challenging terrain. When four-wheel drive is not needed, the 2024 Revel runs in rear-wheel drive mode, which optimizes fuel efficiency. By comparison, the 2025 Winnebago Revel is an all-wheel drive model, allowing an automatic balance of fuel economy and traction, and is also available now at Lichtsinn RV. Take advantage of the 2024 Revel model year savings over the 2025 model year. The stocked MSRP price of the 2024 Revel is $218,282, while the 2025 model year has a stocked MSRP price of $258,737. This is a $40,455 price difference. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about Winnebago Revel model year savings.
Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. Lithium-ion batteries offer numerous advantages worth considering. They are lightweight, maintenance-free, and they charge faster and have longer lifespan than traditional batteries. Winnebago offers many RVs that include lithium power, either standard or as an add-on option. Lithium-ion batteries can also be installed aftermarket. Winnebago Class D camper vans equipped with lithium power include the off-road Revel, the fuel-efficient Bolt, and the streamlined Travato 59GL and 59KL. The Class A diesel Winnebago Journey also includes the option to add lithium battery power. These RVs and more are available now at Lichtsinn RV. If your preferred RV wasn't mentioned, our service team may still be able to add lithium batteries. Reach out to your sales consultant or our service team to determine if this is an option that is available for you. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about the lithium-powered Winnebago motorhomes.
At Lichtsinn RV, we work with guests throughout the country. Because we are only 1 mile from the Winnebago Motorhome Factory, you can take a tour during your visit and experience Winnebago quality firsthand.
Factory tours run from April to October, but can be arranged outside this period by coordinating with your sales consultant. Visit the Class A and Class C factory here in Forest City, just 1 mile from our dealership, or the Lake Mills Camper Van Factory, only 15 miles from Lichtsinn RV. Contact your sales consultant for additional tour details.
And that's the month of May here at Lichtsinn RV. Wishing you safe travels. On behalf of our Lichtsinn RV team, I want to take a moment to remember those who gave the ultimate sacrifice and their families during observance of Memorial Day later this month. Thank you.